Hi, Greg Flaherty here with Penny Realty. Today I want to talk to you about 4 things you should do before you show a vacancy to prospective tenants. These are going to help you make more money, and we're going to talk about it right now. So here's 4 things I recommend. Number 1, rekey the property. This is often an overlooked item. It's not required by law, but best practices say you should do this. God forbid something happens like a break-in or a robbery, just because there's a stray key floating around somewhere. There's potential liability here for you as the owner, and the safety of your tenant could be on the line and could be in jeopardy. So just mark this down as one of those little things you need to check off your box and you need to do. Number 2, everything in the home needs to be functioning as designed. So I know a lot of owners, they can rationalize here. They might say something like, I've lived in this house for years and my 6-burner gas cooktop, it only has 5 that work. The 6th one's never worked, and it's fine. I don't care. The new tenant can live with 5 burners. Well, no, Mr. Owner, a good tenant paying good rent, and rents are high right now, they're going to want that burner to be fixed. If you want to attract quality tenants, you need to get things all working as designed. All right. Number 3, clean. Clean is a big deal. People want clean properties. Now, what if you checked into Hyatt or Hilton? The carpets were stained, or the shower glass doors had hard water deposits on them, or they were just dirty. What would you do? You'd ask for another room that was clean. And that is exactly what a quality new tenant is going to do. Except they aren't going to ask you anything. They're just going to go rent something else. So remember this, good tenants will not rent dirty places. You know who will? Messy, lousy tenants. They rent dirty places. So get your rental sparkling clean. We call it hotel clean. All right, number 4, have it 100% rent ready. Not 90%, seriously, 100% rent ready. This is hard because a lot of owners, landlords, they want to start showing early, maybe when the tenant's still in there. It could be in inferior condition, boxes around. And these tenants, they'll tell you, oh, we got great imagination, we got great vision. The truth is, especially with tenants, they don't have the vision. They can't see or properly envision what it might look like later on. If you start telling them, the carpets will be cleaned before you move in, or we'll do some painting, we'll do it later, before you move in. This leads to unmet expectations. The tenant moves in and says, oh wait, you only painted 1 bedroom. You said you'd paint the whole house. Or the carpet, it's still dirty. You didn't clean it all the way. Now what do you have? You have an unhappy tenant, and you're starting off the relationship with conflict. Not the best way to start. The very best thing you can do to attract a high quality tenant, paying healthy market rent, is have the property in rent ready condition. This is the path to finding the best tenant that renews year after year, which minimizes your vacancy and it maximizes your rent over the long term, over a year or 2, maximizes your rent. And that, my friends, is the landlord's dream. All right, so I'd say check out pennyrealty.com. We have a document there, it's called Rent Ready, and it'll walk you through, give you an exhaustive list of the things you need to do to get your property rent ready. Okay, hope that helped. Until next time, Greg Flaherty here, signing out.